Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV12. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV12 is vibrating excessively and barely picking anything up, you're not alone. This issue is often caused by a malfunctioning motor or blockages within the machine. If left unaddressed, it can lead to further damage and a more costly repair down the line. Fortunately, we're here to help you fix it. For this repair, you'll need a set of screwdrivers, a replacement motor specific to the Dyson SV12, and some soft cloths to keep your device clean. First, ensure your Dyson is unplugged to avoid any accidents. To safely open the device, locate the screws on the main body and carefully remove them using a suitable screwdriver. Keep the screws safe as you'll need them later. Once the cover is off, you should see the motor assembly. The component that typically fails is the motor itself, and it can usually be found towards the bottom of the unit. Gently disconnect any cables attached to the motor, making a note of where they connect. This is crucial to avoid confusion during reassembly. Now, using the screwdriver, remove the screws that hold the motor in place. Apply a steady force but be careful not to strip the screws. Once the screws are out, gently pull the motor away from the assembly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. With the old motor removed, take your new motor and align it with the mounting points. Secure it using the screws you previously removed, ensuring they are tightened adequately but not over-tightened to avoid damaging the motor. Reconnect the cables as per your notes to ensure everything is in its rightful place. Before closing the device, take a moment to check for any debris that may have accumulated inside. A clean machine performs better. Now, replace the cover by aligning it correctly and securing it with the screws. Finally, plug your Dyson SV12 back in and turn it on. If you followed these steps correctly, the vibration should be gone, and it should pick up dirt effectively once more. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure you clean your filters regularly and check for any blockages in the hose or brush bar. Regular maintenance will extend the life of your Dyson and keep it running smoothly. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.